Hi everyone. So, can we just take a few seconds and talk about something that's super important? I've been wanting to say this. You know that feeling when you're dressed up, you're looking absolutely beautiful, your sari is perfect, your blouse is stunning, and then your shoulder slips. You adjust and it slips again. And you are standing there smiling at people, laughing at their conversation, but somewhere in back of your mind, you are just constantly thinking, is it slipping again? Should I fix it now? Is everyone looking at me? That feeling, I know. I've lived it. So, the designers found a fix, a drawstring. A drawstring at the back, a dory, जिसे हम बांध लेते, and suddenly the shoulder stayed in place. Problem solved, right? Well, almost, but because then the dory became like tassel, and the tassels got prettier, and then it got bigger, and then came embroidery on those tassels and embellishment, the heavy decorative work, and suddenly what started like just a tiny functional string became this whole statement piece hanging down behind your back, which honestly, I'm not a fan, but looks beautiful until actually you wear and you know the real problem. Because here's what nobody talks about, and I really wanted to share. That embroidery, it itches right in the middle of your back. Pura sham, or you keep doing something like this because it's hurting, it's itching you. And at that moment, you bend down and even slightly, look at this, you bend down and your tassels, they get caught in your braided hair. Your hair is in a mess and the relationship ends up as if they are meant to be together, the hair and the tassel. So slowly, quietly, without anyone really announcing it, we all just accepted that with certain blouses, you have to have a dory with lot of tassels. You didn't have a choice. And we didn't even question it. I don't know why, because that's what we do. We normalize the discomfort. We adjust, we manage, we just cope. It's okay. The itching is not okay. It's not comfortable. So I sat with the problem for a long time. I wanted the shoulder to stay, but I wanted the itch to go away. I didn't want the hair to be pulling from behind. I didn't want someone to feel like उनका जो हेयर स्टाइल बना है उसको डिसाइड करेंगे ब्लाउज के टैसल्स के ऊपर. I really didn't want that. And that's when I found the answer. A simple, slim, transparent strap. No embroidery, no embellishment, nothing hanging, nothing catching. It sits there quietly doing its job. Holding the shoulder in its place, keeping everything exactly where it should be. A blouse should work for you. It should not hold you. It should support you, free you, not give you one more tension. अभी ये slip हो गया तो मैं क्या करूँगी? लोग देख रहे हैं क्या? Oh God. You should be able to laugh without any adjustment, dance without any thinking, toss your hair any way you want. This is one of those solutions which is small, thoughtful, and I hope for so many of you, a little bit of relief too. So yes, it is a beautiful blouse. Let me just show you. It's got this transparent strap. It holds things in place and gives you all the relief that you want. Just try it, and I swear, I put in a lot of effort into doing this, and I'm sure the first one that you'll wear, you'll fall in love with it.